Doctor, discovering new recognition of life with Omics Healthcare, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, a global name in healthcare and medical innovations. Doctor, your child deserves the best in pediatric care. Introducing pediatric range products. Taxtid O tablets for full blow assault on bacterial infections. Presenting Taxtid O, our brand of cefixime 50, 100, 200 mg dispersible tablets in URTI, LRTI, UTI, acute otitis media, gonococcal urethritis, skin and skin structure infections. Recommend Taxtid O tablets, totally bactericidal. Taxtid OX, presenting the power of duo to tackle stubborn pathogens. Taxtid OX, our brand of cefixime ofloxacin tablets in typhoid fever, UTI, RTI, nosocomial infections, surgical prophylaxis, and intra-abdominal infections. Recommend Taxtid OX. 1 to 10 gold drops, presenting baby care with delicacy and trust. Presenting 1 to 10 gold drops, containing multivitamins with zinc in biotin deficiency, hair loss, rickets, brittle nails, and to increase immunity for joyful childhood. Recommend 1 to 10 gold drops. ProWalk sachets. Reconfigure the lost system with ProWalk sachets containing fructo-oligosaccharides, L-glutamine, Bifidobacterium bifidum, Bifidobacterium longum, Lactobacillus and Streptococcus thermophilus in diarrhea, chronic diseases, IBS. Recommend ProWalk sachets, caring about your life. ProWalk Plus sachets. Introducing the new generation anti-diarrheal ProWalk Plus sachet containing resicadrotol, Saccharomyces and lactic acid bacillus in antibiotic-induced diarrhea, IBS, acute diarrhea, lactose intolerance. Recommend ProWalk Plus sachets. Solid solution for watery stools. ProWalk ZN sachets. Boost up immune system with ProWalk ZN, pre and probiotics with zinc sachets. ProWalk ZN contains 11 mg of zinc that supports the health and wound healing. In antibiotic-induced diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, and acute viral gastroenteritis. Recommend ProWalk ZN. Ensures good health. Set 98 tablets and suspension. Prompt relief from pain and fever. Presenting Set 98, our brand of paracetamol 650 dispersible tablet. Doctor, prescribe Set 98, the trusted and safest analgesic in simple headaches, pain associated with common cold, toothache, minor pain and menstrual cramps. Also available Set 98 suspension containing 250 mg paracetamol to restore normal temperature. Set MF suspension. Children are more wonderful without pain and fever. Presenting Set MF mefenamic acid 100 mg suspension. Set MF is an effective and well-tolerated antipyretic for teething pain, toothache, post-immunization pain, soft tissue inflammation, and fever due to tonsillitis, pharyngitis, cold and flu. Doctor, prescribe Set MF. Fast, powerful, pain and fever relief. Set Plus suspension. Doctor, for dual control of pain and fever, recommend Set Plus suspension containing mefenamic acid 50 mg and paracetamol 125 mg. In pain and fever, prescribe Set Plus for fast, effective pain and fever relief. Linlan 300 mg, presenting the great fighter against infections. Linlan injections containing amoxicillin 250 mg, clavulanic acid 50 mg. Linlan is an effective first-line therapy in otitis media, pharyngitis, tonsillitis, rhinosinusitis, and pneumonia. Doctor, prescribe Linlan 300. Provides complete control. Zexnam. Discard infections quickly with Zexnam Azetrionum 250 mg injection. Zexnam is active against gram-negative aerobic pathogens with good tissue and body fluid penetration and excellent safety profile. In urinary tract infections, septicemia, lower respiratory tract infections, and intra-abdominal infections, prescribe Zexnam. Infection-free forever. Softy Best for regular easy bowels. Softy Best suspension containing liquid paraffin 1.25 ml, milk of magnesia 3.75 ml and sodium picosulfate 3.33 mg. In habitual constipation, bedridden patients, early pregnancy, abdominal hernia and constipation associated with piles and fissures, recommend Softy Best, ultimate solution to constipation relief. A peaceful sleep is always refreshing. Presenting Zolali syrup, our brand of triclophos sodium for refreshing sleep. In the treatment of severe sleeping difficulties like insomnia, transient insomnia, recommend Zolali. Sleep easy. Zingane syrup. Build sturdy health with Zingane containing zinc gluconate 20 mg per 5 ml. Zingane balances essential trace elements, is easy to absorb and helps replenish normal healthy zinc levels. Zingane also supports DNA synthesis and metabolism. In immunity disorders, diarrhea, common cold, wound healing, recommend Zingane syrup. Gain health.